hiking. We're trying to figure out if it's a 2-mile hike or a 3-mile hike. One app says 2, one website we went on says 3. So we're hoping it's 2, but Jett's being a total trooper right now and pushing along. He's even singing songs. Okay, we completed the hike. I'm thinking, I forgot to use the Apple Watch to actually measure the distance, but I'm thinking it couldn't have been more than 2 miles in and out. So we don't really have an accurate reading, but that's my guess. And Jett did awesome. Juice box victory celebration.
Yay.
Check it out. Say, I did it.
We did it.
You did it. I did it.
Yep.
What was your favorite part?
Mate, the favorite part.
Yeah, what was it?
Kinetic rocks, trees, and rocks and dirt. A big waterfall too.
Yeah, you love the big waterfall, right?
The big waterfall's water.
So proud of you, buddy.
And that's it.
Proud of you too.
Thanks, babe.
How many miles? We have officially found out
2.5.
it was 2.5.
Let's go over here.
That is listed on the sign right here where the trail's head starts.
It's beautiful. It's perfect.
Nice job, Jett.